Hey, Chris Menard here, Microsoft MVP. Teams has a new feature that I absolutely love. When it comes to chat, which we do all the time in Teams, there's technically three different type of chats. There is the one-on-one or private chats. There are group chats. Group chats are three or more people. One-on-one chats, you usually know who you're chatting with. Group chats, you usually know most of the people in there when it initially starts. By the time it's over, you know everyone in there. But then we have the third type of chat, and that is the meeting chat. So meeting chats are their own little creation. You have a meeting or you have an event, everyone's invited to that meeting. Well, we have the chat feature in there. I would encourage you, though, to not turn a meeting chat into a group chat unless you're just talking about that meeting, because I see this happens all the time, and I encourage you not to do it. But anyway, here's the new feature. If you look at my screen, I have chats pulled up. I've got my favorite section at the top. I've got a training section that I've collapsed. And then I have the chat section down below. And as you may know, you can't move these around. The most recent is at the top. So I've been recently chatting with Carol. There's a one-on-one. You can spot my meeting chats. They have the icon next to them. You can always come in here and mute a meeting chat. There's mute. But I want my meeting chats in their own section. So up at the very top, more list options, the three dots by chats. Go to customize view. It opens up your settings over to the left, and you happen to be on chats and channels. Here is chats and channels in the middle. And if you look down below, it says show meeting chats in their own section. By default, this is turned off. I'm going to turn it on. There is no save. Just go back to chats at the top left and look down below my chats. You should see three chats, but I have my meeting chats and they are collapsed. I'm going to expand them, collapse them again. Another feature about this is if you wanted to, I could move the meeting chat section and put it anywhere I want to by just dragging and dropping. Just as an example, I'm going to put it between favorites and training. There it is right here. I actually don't like that, so I'm going to move it back down at the bottom. And there are my meeting chats down below. I appreciate your time. Have a wonderful day.